कॉमर्स अकॅडमी मध्ये आपल्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत आहे. तर आज आपण फॉरेन्सिक अकाउंटिंग या विषयाचे MCQ अभ्यासणार आहोत. हे MCQ आपण युनिट वाईज अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर चला आपल्या युनिट वाईज अभ्यासक्रमाला आपण सुरुवात करूया. युनिट 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू forensic accounting. First question, forensic accounting is a primary concerned with A. Tax planning, B. Fraud detection, C. Budget proportion, D. Financial forecasting. Forensic accounting is primarily concerned with fraud detection. B answer is correct. 2. The word forensic means A. Related to taxes, B. Suitable for court of law, C. Related to auditing standards, D. Related to management. The word of forensic means suitable for court of law. B option is correct. 3. Forensic accounting combines A. Accounting plus auditing plus investigation, B. Accounting plus marketing plus HR, human resource, C. Auditing plus taxation plus finance, and D. Economics plus statistic plus law. So forensic accounting combine accounting plus auditing plus investigation. A answer is correct. Then for the main objective of forensic accounting is A. Preparing financial statement, B. Detecting and preventing fraud, C. Preparing budget, D. Tax planning. The main objective of forensic accounting is detecting and preventing fraud. B option is correct. 5. A forensic accountant acts as A. Auditor, B. Expert witness in court, C. Tax consultant, D. Financial planner. A forensic accountant acts as expert witness in court. B option is correct. 6. Forensic accounting differs from auditing because A. It focus on complaints, B. It focus on fraud detection and legal evidence, C. It prepares financial report, D. It ensure accuracy of account. Forensic accounting differs from auditing because it focuses on fraud detection and legal evidence. 7. Which of the following is not scope of forensic accounting? A. Fraud detection, B. Litigation support, C. Budget preparation, D. Insurance claim settlement. So budget proportion of the is following not scope of forensic account. Budget proportion. 8. Forensic accounting is most useful in A. Preparing annual report, B. Investigation corporate fraud, C. Preparing tax return, D. Preparing budget. Forensic accounting is most useful in investigation corporate fraud. 9. The role of forensic accounting in court A. Present auditable report. B. Provide expert evidence. C. Prepare tax return. D. Manage account. The role of forensic accounting is to provide expert evidence. 10. Forensic accounting is also known as A. Legal accounting, B. Investigation accounting, C. Managerial accounting, D. Cost accounting. Forensic accounting is also known as investigation accounting. 11. Forensic accountants are often employed by Forensic accountants are often employed by banks and insurance companies, law enforcement agencies, corporate firms. All of the above answer is correct. 12. Litigation support is function of forensic accounting. 13. Which of the following is a skill required in forensic accounting? Investigation skill, analytical skill, knowledge of law. In this, all of the above skill required in forensic accounting. D option is correct. 14. Forensic accounting is important in detecting. Forensic accounting is important in detecting all of the above. White collar crime, cyber crime, money laundering. 15. The difference between auditing and forensic accounting is mainly in the difference between auditing and forensic accounting is mainly in all of the above objective method outcomes. 15. 16. Forensic accounting is used in Forensic accounting is used in all of the above. Diverse cases, insurance claims, business valuation. The option is correct. 17. The first famous case of forensic accounting was against. The first famous case of forensic accounting was against A.I. Kaplan. 18. Forensic accounting report are prepared for Forensic accounting report are prepared for court of law. B is the right answer. 19. Which of the following is not a forensic accounting technique? Budgeting is a not forensic accounting technique. 20. Forensic accounting as a blend of Forensic accounting is a blend of accounting and law. 21. The primary users of forensic accounting report are The primary users of forensic accounting report are judge and lawyer. Judge and lawyer. 22. Forensic accounting helps in Forensic accounting helps in fraud prevention, fraud detection. Both A and B option is correct. 23. Forensic accountants are also called Forensic accountants are also called fraud examiners. Fraud examiners. 24. Forensic accounting is most closely related to Forensic accounting is most closely related to criminal justice system. Criminal justice system. 25. Forensic accounting is important in Forensic accounting is important in corporate governance. Corporate governance. 26. Which of the following is not a white collar crime? Theft of cattle. Theft of cattle is not a white collar crime. 27. Forensic accounting is applied in Forensic accounting is applied in banking sector, insurance sector, and corporate sector. All of the above. All of the above. That's the right answer. 28. The term litigation support refers to the terms litigation support refers to helping in court cases. Helping in court cases. 29. Forensic accounting is useful in Forensic accounting is useful in criminal cases, civil cases. Both O and B is option is correct. 30. Forensic accounting is a tool for Forensic accounting is a tool for fraud detection, fraud prevention. Both A and B option is correct. 31. Forensic accountant have knowledge of Forensic accountant must have knowledge of accounting, auditing, and law. All of the above. 32. Forensic accounting is different from financial accounting because Forensic accounting is different from financial accounting because it focuses on fraud detection. 33. Forensic accounting is important for Forensic accounting is important for shareholder regulators code. All of the above option is correct. 34. Forensic accounting is also called Forensic accounting is also called fraud examination. 35. Forensic accounting is used in Forensic accounting is used in business dispute, insurance claims, divorce settlement. All of the above option is correct. 36. Forensic accounting is important in India because of corporate scams, banking fraud, cyber crimes. All of the above option is correct. 37. Forensic accounting is helpful in Forensic accounting is helpful in preventing corruption, detecting fraud, strengthening governance. All of the above option is correct. 38. Forensic accounting is a part of auditing, accounting, investigation. All of the above option is correct. 39. Forensic accounting is used by CBI, CB, RBI. All of the above option is correct. 40. Forensic accounting is important in Forensic accounting is important in corporate governance. Corporate governance. 41. Forensic accounting is combination of Forensic accounting is a combination of accounting and investigation. Accounting and investigation. Forensic 42. Forensic accounting is used in Forensic accounting is used in criminal justice system, civil dispute, corporate fraud, all of the above. All of the above option is correct. 43. Forensic accounting is important for detecting fraud, preventing fraud, both A and B, no. Detecting fraud, preventing fraud, both A and B option is correct. C option is correct. 44. Forensic accounting is also known as Forensic accounting is also known as investigative accounting. 45. Forensic accounting is used in Forensic accounting is used in insurance claim, divorce cases, business valuation. All of the above option is correct. 46. Forensic accounting is important in detecting. Forensic accounting is important in detecting cybercrime, money laundering, embezzlement. All of the above option is correct. 47. Forensic accounting is a tool for Forensic accounting is a tool for fraud detection, fraud prevention. Both A and B option is correct. 48. Forensic accounting is used in corporative governance, criminal justice, civil dispute. All of the above. All of the above option is correct. 49. Forensic accounting is important for Forensic accounting is important for regulators, courts, shareholder. All of the above option is correct. 50. Forensic accounting is also called Forensic accounting is also called fraud examination. A option is correct. यानंतर आपण युनिट 2 फ्रॉड इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन याच्यावर 50 MCQ बघणार आहोत. युनिट 2. First, fraud investigation mainly deals with Fraud investigation mainly deals with detecting financial irregularities. Detecting financial irregularities. 2. The most common type of fraud in organization is The most common type of fraud in organization is embezzlement. Embezzlement. B option is correct. 3. Fraud is defined as Fraud is defined as international mispresentation for personal gain. 4. Which of the following is not a type of fraud? In this, budgeting is a not of type of fraud. D option is correct. The fraud 5. The fraud triggers includes The fraud triggers includes pressure, opportunity, rationalization. 6. Asset misproportion involves asset misproportion involves theft of cash or asset. A option is correct. 7. Financial statement fraud involves financial statement fraud involves overstarting revenue, understarting expense, mispresentation of account. All of the above option is correct. 8. Corruption in fraud investigation refers to corruption in fraud investigation refer to bribery and kickbacks. A option is correct. 9. Which of the following is an example of payroll fraud? Ghost employees is an example of payroll fraud. 10. Fraud detection techniques include fraud detection technique includes data analysis, ratio analysis, surprises, audits. All of the above option is correct. 11. The role of forensic accountant in fraud investigation is the role of forensic accountant in fraud investigation is detecting fraud, collecting evidence, presenting findings in court. D. All of the above option is correct. 12. Which of the following is not a fraud detection method? Budgeting is a not of a fraud detection method. 13. Whistleblowing is Whistleblowing is reporting fraud by insiders. A option is correct. 14. Money laundering involves. Money laundering involves concealing illegal money. 15. Insurance fraud includes. Insurance fraud includes fake claims, inflated damage, false accidents. All of the above option is correct. 16. Cyber fraud includes. Cyber fraud includes phishing, identity theft, online scams. D. All of the above option is correct. 17. Fraud investigation report are prepared for. Fraud are prepared for court of law. 18. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA was enacted in. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA was enacted in 2002. 19. The agency responsible for investigating corporate fraud in India is the agency of responsible for investigating corporate frauds in India is SFIO. C. SFIO. Option is correct. 20. The first step in fraud investigation is. The first step in fraud investigation is Identifying red flags. 21. Red flags in fraud investigation are red flag in fraud investigation are warning sign of fraud. 22. Kickbacks are a form of corruption. 23. Host employee are related to payroll fraud. 24. Fraud investigation require knowledge of fraud investigation requires knowledge of accounting auditing law. D. All of the above option is correct. 25. The main purpose of fraud investigation is the main purpose of fraud investigation is detecting fraud, preventing fraud, collecting evidence. D. All of the above option is correct. 26. Which of the following is not a cyber fraud? Ghost employee is not cyber fraud. 27. Fraud investigation is important for regulators, courts, shareholders. D. All of the above option is correct. 28. The agency responsible for money laundering cases in India is the agency responsible for money laundering cases in India is Enforcement Direct, Director ED. 29. Fraud investigation report are used in fraud investigation report are used in criminal cases, civil cases. C option is correct. Both A and B. 30. Fraud investigation technique includes fraud investigation technique include surprise audit, digital forensic data analytics, all of the above. D. All of the above option is correct. 31. Fraud investigation is different from auditing because fraud investigation is different from auditing because A. It focuses on fraud detection. 32. Fraud investigation is important in fraud investigation is important in corporate governance. 33. Fraud investigation is also called fraud investigation is also called fraud examination. 34. Fraud investigation is used in fraud investigation is used in business disputes, insurance claims, divorce settlement. D. All of the above option is correct. 35. Fraud investigation is important in India because of corporate schemes, banking fraud, cyber crime. D. All of the above option is correct. 36. Fraud investigation is helpful in Fraud investigation is helpful in preventing corruption, detecting fraud, strengthening governance. D. All of the above option is correct. 37. Fraud investigation is a part of auditing accounting investigation. All of the above option is correct. 38. Fraud investigation is used by CBI, SEBI, RBI. All of the above option is correct. 39. Fraud investigation is important in corporate governance. A option is correct. 40. Fraud investigation is a combination of accounting and investigation. 41. Fraud investigation is used in criminal justice system, civil disputes, corporate frauds. All of the above option is correct. 42. Fraud investigation is important for detecting fraud, preventing fraud. Both A and B option is correct. 43. Fraud investigation is also known as fraud fraud examination. 44. Fraud investigation is used in Fraud investigation is used in insurance claim, divorce cases, business valuation. All of the above option is correct. 45. Fraud investigation is important in detecting cybercrime, money laundering, embezzlement. The all of the above option is correct. 46. Fraud investigation is a tool for fraud investigation is a tool for fraud detection, fraud prevention. Both A and B option is correct. 47. Fraud investigation is used in Fraud investigation is used in corporate governance, criminal justice, civil dispute, all of the above. All of the above option is correct. 48. Fraud investigation is important for regulators, courts, shareholder. All of the above option is correct. 49. Fraud investigation is also called fraud examination. A option is correct. 50. Fraud investigation is used in insurance claims, divorce cases, business valuation. The all of the above option is correct. अशाच प्रकारे जर तुम्हाला युनिट 3, युनिट 4 आणि युनिट 5 याच्यावर एमसीक्यू हवे असतील तर माझं चॅनल आर के कॉमर्स अकॅडमी याला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि मला कमेंट करा. तुम्हाला याच टॉपिकवर पुढील युनिट 3, युनिट 4 आणि युनिट 5 याच्यावर आपण कमीत कमी 100 क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू ची प्रॅक्टिस घेऊ. आणि तुम्हाला जर